Hello. Hi, everyone. So our product is Cybercoach. This is Min, and I'm Alvin. So kind of to reiterate the problem, a lot of people are still getting scammed. I think scam is growing by the day. And so to solve that, we build Cybercoach, and Cybercoach will help bridge the gap between complex cyber threats and plain language safety guidance. And we'll have Min demonstrate the demo for us.
Since the churches already know the problem space, so we just want to jump straight right in how Cybercoach works into higher risk situations. So this is our landing page of the application. It's just basically telling what does this application do. So so we have 5 scan mode in our application. So for right now, I will just jump straight right into the 2 main scan suite that we have. So the first one, I will show you the deep document scan features. So here, I have a document that looks like a normal billing workflow. So it uses a trusted name like Microsoft and SharePoint and DocuSign. So what makes it different from just reading text is that from just extracting the text is that just one second. So what would make it different from just reading from just extracting the text is that Cybercoach can also extracting the embedded links, compare display text against the root destinations, check keyword payloads, and then flag a risky file trait like macro or spatial analysis limitation. And it may take about 30 seconds for the result to pop up. So if you can see in the result over here, so the document is flagged as a high risk of a 42 heuristic score, and the main concern is the impersonations. It tries to pretend to be a trusted domain like Microsoft or SharePoint to steal credentials. And on the right card, we can see that the recommended actions for the user to take for the next step. And next, you can see all of the specific signals and key findings and scan details in the document. For example, like password request, urgency within 24 hours, misleading SharePoint prompt, and invoice password. And moreover, and it also checking for the QR code destinations to basically modify the user of the risky file link domain. And also, Cybercoach doesn't just rely on AI only. It also first run explicitly local checks on things like urgency, impersonation, suspicious domains, and add another second layer of review to summarize the risk in human language and compare the model judgments. So as a result right here, on the church side, both models of Claude and GPT model independently agree on a final risk level, and the app show, and so which means the app doesn't just one model just making a guess. And the heuristic score right here is just not a black box. Each warning category is at point by the severity, and the app show which category contributing the most. And last but not least, it's also allowing the user to copy the report to send that to IT. And the next interesting features that I want to show is the Call Guard live demo. So this is designed for the moment when someone is actually on a suspicious call and need help before they comply. So I have a very demo audio that try to present from an IRS. I will show you. So I will start by listening.
To reach you. This call is officially a final notice from IRS. Internal Revenue Services. The reason of this call is to department number 253 214 4667. I repeat 253 214 4667. Thank you.
So what happening here is very straightforward. The transcript accumulate over time, and the voice signal hints are tracked. In the back end, update the result continuously instead of just waiting for the call to finish. So the user can get a live warning while the scam is unfolding.
So this is just behind the scenes. So we have our 4 layers. So first is the PI redaction. Second, we go through the 29 heuristic checks. Third, we go through the dual model AI. And finally, the consensus with the final risk verdict. So how do we keep Cybercoach safe and reliable? So when the models disagree, it will always result to a more cautious outcome and never returns anything, returns safe on disagreement. And for the heuristics fallback, we ensure to have 29 static checks that ensures reliability, and it will continue to work if the AI is down. And due to time constraints, Cybercoach just helps transform cyber confusion to clear actions, and we built this around one belief. We believe that everyone deserves a security expert in their pocket. Thank you.